Understanding the phrase, world without war. Hello, everyone. Today's topic is a deep and thought-provoking one, world without war. This phrase is not just about the words but about the powerful idea behind them. In this video, we'll explore its meaning and implications, especially for those who are learning English. So, let's dive into this fascinating concept. World without war might seem straightforward, but there's more to it. World refers to our planet, Earth, encompassing all countries, people, and cultures. Without is a key word here, meaning in the absence of or lacking something. And war is a large-scale, violent conflict between groups, especially between nations. So, putting it all together, a world without war is a global state where there are no conflicts or battles. Throughout history, the idea of a world without war has been a dream for many. It's important to understand that this phrase often emerges during or after significant conflicts, like World War I and II. It reflects a deep longing for peace and stability in a world that has seen the horrors of war. The phrase is not just literal, it's also symbolic. It represents hope, peace, and unity. When used in speeches, literature, or discussions, it often conveys a desire for an ideal world where conflicts are resolved peacefully. It's a powerful expression of a common human aspiration. In today's world, world without war remains a relevant and compelling concept. It's used in movements and campaigns promoting peace, non-violence, and diplomatic conflict resolution. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating global efforts towards peace and the challenges involved. A world without war is more than a phrase. It's a vision that many strive for. As English learners, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and broadens your perspective on global issues. I hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep learning, and let's all hope for a world without war. Thank you for watching.